A touch later than you did there. Just a touch. Okay, ready? And action. Cut.
So that's what happens. Jesus.
Okay, noted.
Don't push that bell button.
With Helcim, you can feel good about your payments. I think we really want to resonate with people emotionally, so the feel part is important. And the good part is obviously really important too, because we're trying to do good in the world, we're trying to make our merchants feel good, we're trying to provide a good service.
Typically, most people don't feel good about their payments.
Exactly, exactly. So I think it actually really encapsulates what our brand is. But we've rebranded, which was a big thing for us.
Yeah, we're colorful now. When I started, we were just like gray and this muted blue.
Yeah.
I mean, it was fine, it worked. But now we've like pink, yellow, purple. We have a very approachable brand.
And it helps that that's the company that we are. Like we are a friendly brand. Oh, okay. Start that again.
Hey, what do you want me to say?
So for this campaign, we kind of wanted to put a bit of a spin on it. A lot of small business owners have this hesitancy about switching, like we all do really, about switching from anything. Like
Get
change
used
is hard.
to it, yeah. Change is hard.
But yeah, so we wanted to just kind of play on that a little bit and just kind of like over dramatize how hard we all think change is in our minds, and then kind of like snap you back to reality and show that it's really not that hard at all.
And this one was the first one that we've done since the rebrand.
I think we gave ourselves like a good 2 months to like plan this, come up with the scripts, organize all the logistics and shoot it and get it in market. Oh.
Can somebody help Manpreet?
The script that we had originally wanted to shoot, it wasn't going to work. And so we ended up needing to pivot within 2 days.
We were still tightening up the concept on Friday morning and storyboarding throughout the day, Friday afternoon. And then over the weekend, pulled together all the logistics, and we were shooting by Monday.
Okay, ready? And
it was
action.
freezing cold that day.
Okay, so look down.
And the actress had to be in pajamas.
Yeah, and flip-flops with no socks.
Yeah.
So I was running beside the taxi while Chris was hanging outside the window of the moving taxi while Shelly was running after it. I'm screaming, go, 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 go. Chris is trying to keep everything steady. Shelly's trying to like act and be dramatic. And it's just like, I just picture what it looks like from your guys' perspective. Like it must look ridiculous.
Yeah. Jeff always likes to get one more.
One more.
So, yeah, just one more. So she had to do one more,
Many
a lot
times.
more times.
So let's do one more, and then can you whichever one like that.
Okay, so we'll get one more good one, and then we'll do.
Okay, let's do one more. And you want to do one without the lid? Okay, we'll do one more. One more. So one more time, Chris. Try one more time. When you bring the, we'll do one more. Okay, we'll do one more. One more reset. I'm happy. Okay, maybe do one more.
One more. To bring it together in literally under a week, I think is a testament to the team we have. And creativity, you can't put a price on it. Ideas, you can't put a price on. So if you have a good team that can execute, I think the sky's the limit with what you can do. Telling the Helcim story in new and innovative ways is fun and exciting. And I think with the new brand, some of the stories we can tell, we're just scratching the surface. So
It all like trickles through the journey. It's like what you see is what you get.
yeah, what you see is what you get with us. Absolutely.
Cut!
Yay.
Is that our day?
Is it our day?
I think that's our day.
Okay, awesome.
Great job.
Great job,
Good job,
guys.
everybody.
Awesome.
We're wrapped.
Nice work.
I tell everybody, like, if you want to know what it's like working at Helcim, just watch the vlog. And like, literally, that's it.